Hello everyone, so good morning. Today I'm going to unbox the Everest 310Ga. Okay, so unboxing naman tayo today. This one, the regular price is actually 979 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit, because I'm currently staying here in Malaysia. But actually this one, I just bought around 250 ringgit on sale from Carousel Malaysia. Okay, so I ordered, for example, I ordered it yesterday. Today it arrived. It's just one day to deliver. That's how fast the delivery here in Malaysia is. Okay, so this one is a purple edition. It already have Google Assistant, as you can see from here. Then here you can see the features of this headphone. Okay, so 5 minutes is equals to 1 hour for the charging, and then the battery or the headphone will you can use for 20 hours. Okay, so dare to listen. So again, the exact model is Jbl Everest 310Ga. Jbl by Harman. Okay, so this one is nice because it's already have the Google Assistant where you can activate it or you can use it once it's already connected to your phone. So meaning you don't need to use your phone if you would like to use the Google Assistant. Okay, so let me just open the box so that you can see what's inside. So once you open the box, there will be another box inside. Okay, so there will be another box inside this one, a black box. Okay, so you will see here the Harman as well for you to verify if it's authentic or not. So okay, so once you open this box, there will be a case included already. So there is a case included for this type of headphone, the Everest 310Ga. So it will be really nice because you don't need to buy a case anymore since it's already included in the package. Okay, so in this box, let me just check what is included as well. This one is the warranty card and the guide or the manual for you to know how to use it, but it's difficult to get it. So okay, so like this. Right, so this is the manual, as you can see. Okay, so let me just put it back. So it's difficult. Okay, so let me just put it here. Let me close the box so that you can see what's inside this JBL case. Alright, so once you open the case, you will see here the JBL Everest 310Ga with purple edition. Okay, so this is the headphone. Nice, right? So if you would like to open it, if you would like to open this one or you would like to use it, you just need to flip going out like this. Okay, like that. Alright, so there you go. You can already use it. For me, it's really nice because you can bend it out, bend in. Then you can, if you would like to store, you can just flip in to make it smaller, then easier for you to store it. And then So this one is the, if you would like to use it, you just need to switch on the power. Where is the power? The power is this one. As you can see, just push and then it will turn on. At the moment, it won't turn on because I believe it's no power. But this is the button if you would like to turn on or switch on this headphone. Then you will see here the Bluetooth as well. If you would like to use or connect it with Bluetooth. Then if you would like to use a jack or headphone, this is the one, the hole that you can put or insert the headphone. Then this is the volume for this headphone. Okay, so it's really durable because you see this one is like foam. It's nice. It's durable. This one, it looks so durable and nice to wear, right? So nice. Okay, so let me just open what's inside the box, the case. So from the case there will be a headphone jack. This one, a headphone with two jack, one to connect from your headphone to your phone if you would like to use this headphone. Then of course there will be a volume, this one, a volume button, or for you, if you would, for you to use it, if you would like to talk to someone, you can use this headphone jack. Then there will be another cable for you to charge the headphone. So this one is a standard cable for JBL, orange color. I believe all JBL will be like this for the cable. Okay, so that's all for inside this case. Alright, so hope you like this video, and then please don't forget to subscribe from my channel and click the notification bell as well, so that you will be notified every time I have a new video uploaded. Okay, so again, thank you for watching and hope you have a great day. Bye.